Avoid burns, leaks, and messy mistakes. Before you use the Comfort-A steam cleaner, watch this quick safety guide. Always use the provided measuring cup and avoid overfilling. Our recommended amount is 175 milliliters for strong, consistent steam. Overfilling can cause hot water to leak from the nozzle. While using, keep the steamer upright or at a maximum 45 degrees angle. And for best performance, always use soft or distilled water to prevent mineral buildup. Never open the lid if the red safety pressure indicator is up as the tank is still pressurized. To release pressure, unplug the unit and press the steam trigger until the red safety pressure indicator goes down. Always double-check by pressing the trigger one more time before opening. If you notice any water leaking from the handle, stop using the steamer and contact us right away. And always unplug your steamer when it's not in use. Even after steaming, residual pressure remains. Before refilling, unplug the power, release the steam fully by pressing the trigger, and wait until the red indicator drops. While unscrewing the cap, keep pressing the trigger to release pressure safely. For added safety, wait 3 minutes before adding more water.